Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my video today. Today I'm going to be reviewing the single column journaling Bible by Crossway in large print. Now this is the natural leather version with the flap, the strap here, and it's a beautiful Bible, guys. I would highly recommend it to you if you are a student of the Bible and you want a Bible that you can write a lot inside of, because this has so much room for prayers and notes and insights into the Word of God. And so I've already opened it and used it a bit and put on this nifty little strap here. And so I'm gonna go ahead and move this box. It does come with a white clamshell box that appears to be very solid. So you could take this, throw it in a backpack, and it would be awesome. As the large print version, this is a 9.5 typeface. So this is a larger typeface, which means it's going to add to the overall thickness of this Bible. And so I want to show you guys here. Some of you have probably seen this Bible before, maybe in the regular edition, which is a 7.5 font. Well, they just updated that Bible with the 2025 ESV text with an 8-point font. So this is a step up. This is going to be a larger font here, and I'm going to show you guys kind of the dimensions of this Bible. So the overall width is going to be just over 7 inches, about 7.25 by 9.5. And so I believe the actual footprint of the text here is about 6.5 inches. I'm actually going to show you guys just to confirm here. Yeah, that sits at actually about 6.25. So it's not too wide, surprisingly, for having such big margins, 2-inch margins for writing. But the width of this Bible, it is on the thicker side, about the size of a study Bible, at 2 inches or just under 2 inches. But that is some thick leather there. And so I'm going to show you guys the actual thickness is 1.75 there on the actual footprint of the book block. So guys, let's go ahead and open this Bible up. But before we do, I'm going to do a quick scale test to show you guys the weight of this big note-taking Bible. So we have the scale here. I'm going to show you guys. This Bible sits at 3 pounds and 6 ounces. So it's a pretty heavy Bible. Not too heavy for carry, in my opinion. You could carry this with you to church easily. I did it today, but it might not be the best for taking with you everywhere if that's something that bothers you, a Bible that's on the heavier side. But my first impressions of this Bible were, this is a very high quality leather. If you guys will just wait one moment, I actually want to go grab another natural leather note-taking Bible from Lifeway and show you guys kind of the difference of cover quality. So just wait one second. So what I have here is the Lifeway Legacy Note-Taking Bible. This is a newer edition Bible, and it has been used for several months now, maybe about 6 months. And I just want to show you guys the difference between these two cuts of leather and the quality. This is the Crossway edition, and this is the Lifeway edition. Some of you may really enjoy the look of this rugged leather here. But if I had to choose, I would say the quality of this natural leather by Crossway is significantly better. And so that's something to keep in mind. When you're looking for a note-taking Bible, you want something that can hold up, something that is rugged, that you can take anywhere, that will take writing and pens very well. And so this right here, it is just smooth. It's very thick. It's beautiful. This is an incredible Bible, guys. So let's go ahead and open this up here. So this strap right here, that's one thing to consider about this Bible, is that this strap is about 3 feet long, and it's kind of awkward to know what to do with it when the Bible's open. If you're holding it, it's fine if you put it on a desk or you're laying it down, but actually carrying this Bible and trying to use it while standing in a worship service is kind of awkward. You kind of have to like bunch up this cord and kind of hold it on the side. So that's something to consider. Guys, let's take a look here at this text. So as we open it up, we have a vinyl paste down liner, and it appears to be very high quality construction. I'm actually very surprised how well they did these corners. I don't see anything coming up here. It appears like it'll last you a very, very long time. And as I said, that leather is very thick. So let's open it up. See if we can get to Genesis here. And here we go. So it holds open, no problem on Genesis 1. And guys, this text is incredible. This 9.5 lexicon typeface is just beautiful under this creamy, yellowish colored note-taking Bible paper. There's no art gilding. It's just white, and I love that. The paper here is at least 36 GSM, if not heavier weight, and it is opaque. I mean, look at that right there. There on a narrative section, you can't see much underneath it, at least from what I can see here. Maybe you can see more in the video, but it is just beautiful. The readability is phenomenal on this Bible, and it does have a true 2 inches here, actually over 2 inches, 2 1/4 here in the outer margins. And so it's beautiful. There's no cross references. There's no special features. It's just a reading and note-taking Bible, wide margin Bible. So if that's what you're looking for, if you need a Bible with a larger font, like a 9.5, I would highly recommend the single column journaling Bible in large print by Crossway. The text is nice and dark. It's just beautiful to read. I want you guys to look at that here. It's just incredible. It's a black letter Bible. The words of Christ are not in red. And that's about all, guys. It's absolutely incredible. And I actually don't think it comes with maps in the back. It's fine by me. If I'm needing maps, I can look and use a different edition. But like I said, it lays flat. This is Revelation. You get to the end of this book, there's no problem laying flat here. So it lays flat, very solid construction. I think it's about $100 for this Bible, maybe a little more. But for this quality of construction, guys, I mean, that beautiful brown natural leather. I want to say this is a top grain leather, maybe not full grain, but this is beyond genuine leather. This is natural hide. I want to say top grain leather. It's going to last you, I mean, easily 5 to 10 years with heavy use. Maybe a lifetime if you take care of it. This is a beautiful Bible. I would highly recommend it. And that's all we have for today. So thank you all so much for tuning in, and have a great day.